Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with another 3Rivers market report for April 23rd, 2025, where we saw down arrows just nip out up arrows, so we're about even. Seeing some good positive signs, seeing some struggles in the market. We report, you decide. Closings happen every day. We saw active available inventory up 5%, good for buyers. Sellers, you're still in control, don't worry about it. Up 67% year over year. New listings came in down 2% week over week, but up 8% year over year. Solds came in down 14% week over week, down 18% year over year. Pendings came in down 15% week over week, down 8% year over year. Median sale price came in at $251,500 over the last 7 days, showing about 5% appreciation versus last year's number at this time. The median sale price for the year came in about $250,000 and showing about 6% appreciation year over year. So we still are appreciating. We saw a little blip in the last 6 to 8 weeks where we saw some softening in the market and we thought we may be looking at some depreciation, but it looks like we're still appreciating. Homes still going up in value right now. We know eventually the market's got to stall or downturn at some point. We've been on a bull run for about 14 years since the Great Recession. So eventually we do got to see a downturn. But like I always tell people, if you're going to be in the home 3 to 5 years, you're going to get past any goalie the market might have. Days on market did speed up, showing a positive sign. Buyers are out there shopping, price it right. It's getting sold. We jumped down to 26 average, 5 median, which is right in line with last year where it was 25 average, 4 median. Last 12 months homes sold in the Fort Wayne Metro were 4,406, up from the previous year of 4,299. So showing still up about 2.5. Looks like it's slowing a little bit, but it also, we saw our lowest number of homes sold back in 2023. 2024 was better than that, and we're still pacing better for 2025. So that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.